Welcome to Mega Fortris Virtual Factory Tour. Allow me to introduce you to our Production Director, Mr. Jason Francis.
And this is Meg, a Corporate Affairs Director. Welcome to Mega Fortris Malaysia, the heart of the Mega Fortris Group. Please join us in our production facility for the tour. We'd love to show you.
I shall leave you all to the good hands of our Production Director, Mr. Jason Francis, to continue with the factory tour.
Our production facility is divided into a number of separate departments based on how the material flows through the factory. From our mixing department goes to injection, which is our primary operation, then followed up by secondary operations such as ultrasonic welding, heat stacking, laser, and then of course finished goods where we pack, prepare in a container and get ready for shipping to customers across the world. Here we have our material processing department. Our raw materials are mixed according to proprietary formulas as per customer requirements and our own unique brand of mixing products. And from here, 12 hours worth of production is pre-mixed, and then we set it up, push it through to the injection department. Let's go. Our production facility is driven by customer pull with a focus on our core mantra, which is lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. Our customer-centric approach drives all of our processes. Let me explain that in a bit more detail. When analyzing our processes, if it doesn't add value to the customer, we view it as waste. What we have below here is the first of a three-phase growth in our capital expenditure. 28 machines were replaced by what we see below in a drive to improve efficiencies, improve economies of scale, and improve using the latest technologies available. Directly below my feet are 8 vertical injection machines, forming part of our A-lot. 4 of those machines offer us 2K capability. That's 2 colors. Our C-lot machines are low tonnage, high volume machines, producing in excess of 24 million components every single month. With a collection of 100 ton and 150 ton machines, we are consistently able to meet our customers' requirements and quality requirements. As you can see, every single machine in the factory, all the injection machines, include a robotic arm, which provides us with a semi-autonomous manufacturing environment. This leads us to accomplish our OEE goal of 97%. Our C-lot machines achieve 98% uptime, month in, month out. All our injection molded seals require some form of secondary processes, whether it be heat stacking, ultrasonic welding, or laser marking. A big focus for Mega Fortris Malaysia is the drive towards automation, improving efficiencies, and making sure we can offer our customers the best possible product at the lowest possible price. What you see here is auto capping machines, auto twisting machines, and auto bushing machines, a result of a drive to reduce our reliance on unskilled labor and move towards far more autonomous environments. Our CEO is an ardent supporter of automation, reducing the dependencies on, as I say, unskilled labor, and changing repetitive tasks to tasks we can replicate in an autonomous environment. In 2017, we identified tasks that were repetitive and easy to replicate using automatic machines. This resulted in what you see here today. Big drive for automation that has drastically improved not just our production capabilities, but our quality offering to our customers. This in turn improves efficiencies, improves our quality, and makes us more competitive in a very difficult market. Some of our secondary tasks still require an operator to execute. But even here, Mega Fortris focuses on continual improvement. A simple ultrasonic welding operation has been automated to maximize production time availability, reduce worker fatigue, reduce worker error, and provide bankable OEE results. Our ultrasonic welding department comprises 11 machines with an output potential in excess of 9 million pieces per month. The final process before laser marking is heat stacking. With 28 machines, we're able to produce over 24 million seals every single month. Our staff is cross-functional, able to perform multiple tasks across multiple different departments, whether it's laser marking, heat stacking, or ultrasonic welding. Let's go see laser marking. Our final operation before we pack the goods and ship them off to our customers is laser marking. Here, we indelibly mark the seals with a combination of serial numbers, logos, QR codes, and barcode, whatever the customer's requirements. Mega Fortris design and engineering team has over 100 years of experience between them. Through continuous customer engagement and through customer and markets analysis, we identify potential products and potential product improvements that we can implement on a continuous basis. Our design team, our engineering team, will analyze a specific product or a specific issue identified by either our customer or by our internal teams and work on a solution to solve this issue, to solve this problem. It starts with engineering software, with a concept that we will develop through 3D software developing, mold simulation software, and ultimately we will develop a prototype using one of 2 3D printers that we have. This prototype is then stress tested on an ongoing basis and will go through a number of different iterations before we settle on something that the design team and the engineering team is comfortable with. This will take us to our next phase of the development, which will be tooling and mold development. From product design, we move on to tooling design. A full in-house tooling department is responsible for the design, the production, and the maintenance of the tooling used to produce injection molded seals at MFM. Our skilled team of tool makers and designers design the molds using specialized software before production begins. Showcased outside are an array of vertical 3-axis machines. Mega Fortris has a number of sustainability initiatives that it has implemented in the last 3.5 years. Our focus is in reducing our carbon footprint and promoting recycling in the plastics environment, working towards long-term sustainability and responsibility. With this in mind, we've installed photovoltaic units to provide in excess of 450,000 kilowatt hours every year, which is the equivalent of saving 169 tons of burnt coal at a power station. Our production facility regrinds and processes 85% of its runners, with the balance sold to plastic recycling companies. In addition to this, Mega Fortris is focusing on new mold designs that use hot runner tips, reducing the amount of plastic used, the amount of energy required, and the amount of wastage in manpower created through using legacy technologies such as cold runners. The central nervous system of the production facility is the order processing department, the ERP, and of course, warehousing. Warehousing provides the logistical support for every one of the production operations inside this mega factory. Once the laser has completed its task, marking all the goods and ready for the customer, all goods are brought down to the finished goods assembly area where we package and prepare to distribute to one of our 25 group companies or one of the hundreds of companies, individual companies, across the world, from New Zealand, Australia, North America, South America, Asia, Europe, and of course, even my home country, South Africa. Unfortunately, no video we produce is going to do true justice to Mega Fortris production facility. So I encourage you, in periods where there is no more MCO, to come and visit us, share in the vision and the energy that this company has. We would love to show you around. I am Jason Francie. Thank you for joining us.